Hello all. Now we will see what is playlist option available on this site. A short introduction about playlist. Playlist is something that if you notice, like most of the traders used to have multiple monitors where they have to monitor, say for an example, if you are an option trader, you would like to monitor the Nifty futures, and also you will compare CE and PE charts like that, right? Under the same monitor, it will not be a very easy task. So people used to have multiple monitors to do this trading. To overcome that option, we have this playlist option. So let's see how it helps us actually. So you log in. This is your home page. So once you are here, move your cursor to these four square boxes. So you will have dashboard options where you can say browse, playlist, snapshots, etc. So let's go into playlist right now. I'm clicking onto playlist. So here we have a predefined a few playlists actually that would be useful for the traders. So if you start a playlist here, let's say currencies playlist, I'm starting it. So you have three options. So you can use any of these three options. Normal would be fine. So TV is something the other parameters will not be showing us. Only the charts will be visible to us. Coisk is also similar to that. So let me choose this normal, and let me start this currency playlist right now. What will happen is every 3 seconds all the currency futures which are under that directory will show off to us. So you'll be able to monitor all of these futures. Under every 3 seconds this will get played. Okay, similarly for equities, if you say playlist start, you have all these equities chart will get played for every 3 seconds. Similarly for MCX and NFO, also the similar way. Futures and options will be shared, and every 3 seconds, this will get changed to Bank Nifty futures, to Nifty futures, MCX futures, etc. Hope this video is useful to you. Let me join another video with you guys. Thank you.